Hello friends, my name is Sejal and today I'm showing you how I decorated my desk for Christmas. I put 2 Christmas trees and Santa and 1 candy jar. Here also I put 2 Christmas trees and 1 snowman. Here I put 1 wreath and 1 small crib. It's a very nice crystal lighted crib. I got it from Ollie's. Again 1 Christmas tree. I got this from Walmart. And hanged some ornaments here. So this is it. If you want to know how I made those Christmas trees and wreath, please check the description. I have put the link in it. Hope you liked it. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care. Have a happy holidays. Bye.